Welcome to Defense News Plus. Today's update is regarding Indonesia's submarine KRI Nagala 402. India sent two DSRV deep submerged rescue vehicle to rescue the crew of the submarine sunk under the sea. Indonesian Navy has reported that they have detected the submarine sunk into the sea and all the crew aboard into the submarine have been died. None of them has survived. We pray to God for their rest in peace. As per report, the submarine was found at 850-meter depth at the seabed. At this level of depth, the possibility of survival is zero. In Indian Ocean, China is increasing its presence day by day. In recent years, looking into that, Indian Navy Chief Admiral Karambir Singh said in an interview that Indian Navy has proper resources and proper naval assets and domain expertise to run everything smoothly to guard and rescue Indian Ocean region. Indian Navy is doing the work of mapping and monitoring for better management of the region. He has also said to enable the ecosystem of the region to maintain the blue economy. As per report from sources, BSF on Saturday detected two drones crossing the international border from Pakistan side, and BSF foiled the intrusion bid in Jammu's Arnia sector. This is the first incident along the international border after ceasefire agreement in February. As per news from The Hindu, during the early morning hours on Saturday, two drones were observed entering from the Pakistan side and were immediately fired upon by vigilant BSF troops, which compelled their retreat to Pakistani territory, as said by BSF spokesperson. HAL Integrated Developmental Air Teaming System HAL will induct and integrate different unmanned systems or vehicles with Tejas aircraft. Indian Navy and IAF are believed to support this effort of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Combat Air Teaming System or CATS started at 2018, as said retired Group Captain of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited H.B. Thakur. He has also said that the primary design has been completed for this project. Now HAL is developing the CAT system integrating with Tejas LCA trainer jet in both manned and unmanned training system. This CAT system will work with Tejas Mk1A future variant as mothership of teaming exploitation in future. CAT system will be made as a low observer unmanned wingman. In Bengaluru Aero India show, this system was first displayed. In another element, CATS Alpha is integrated, which is air-launch flexible assets which can be launched from CATS Max, and CATS Hunter can work as multi-purpose weapons carriage system. Tejas lacks an operational data link, so an operational data link is being tested in Hawkeye. HAL is looking to integrate a data link with Tejas, which is a local modified version of BAE system of Hawk 132, which is being tested in Hawkeye. HAL received approval and funding allocations are being made. Tejas twin-seat trainer is being optimized for unmanned and manned training concept. That's it for the day.